So did you know Billie Eilish is rolling in dough? Like seriously loaded. Apple shelled out a whopping $25 million for a documentary about her life. No big deal. Forbes spilled the tea, saying she raked in a cool $53 million in 2020 alone. Half of that cash came from Apple's documentaries, and the other half from her music sales. So what does she do with all that moolah? Back in 2002, her family snagged their home in Highland Park for a meager $240,000. Now, that crib's worth a cool $800,000. It's a cozy spot, 1,208 square feet, 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. But wait, there's more. At just 17, in 2019, Billie dropped a fat $2.3 million on her ranch property in California. Talk about living the high life. Billie Eilish, like many celebs who started from humble beginnings, had a pretty modest start before she got her hands on those dreamy cars you see her cruising in today. Her car journey kicked off with a 2008 blue Mazda 5 minivan, her very first daily driver. It might not have been flashy, but it symbolized her down-to-earth roots. This regular minivan packed a 153 horsepower 2.3-liter engine and ran on a 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, it had a slightly sportier look with revamped headlights, a snazzy front bumper, and a new grille, all for a starting price of just $19,000. Pretty budget-friendly for us regular folks. Then came the big birthday gift, a matte black Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, a sweet ride gifted by her record label when she turned 17. She even gave it a nickname, Dragon, and it quickly became her pride and joy. This beast of a car boasts a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine, pumping out a whopping 707 horsepower. With a price tag of $68,000, it's no wonder it's her favorite. But for everyday errands, Billie relies on her trusty Chevrolet Suburban. This luxurious SUV can seat up to 8 people and comes with a powerful 3.0-liter DOHC i6 Turbo V8 diesel engine, packing 355 horsepower. It's spacious, fuel-efficient, and equipped with top-notch safety features, making it perfect for running around town unnoticed. And let's not forget her McLaren 600 LT, a true speed demon that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. With a dry weight of just 2,750 pounds and a 3.8-liter V8 engine delivering 600 horsepower, this baby is a force to be reckoned with. But it comes with a hefty price tag of around $300,000. Last but not least, Billie recently added a Range Rover Sport to her collection, the epitome of luxury and performance. With its sleek design, plush interior, and advanced off-road capabilities, it's the perfect blend of style and functionality for Billie's diverse lifestyle. So from her humble Mazda minivan to her high-performance McLaren, Billie's car collection is as diverse as her music, proving that no matter where you start, with a bit of hard work and determination, you can ride in style. While Billie Eilish has often embraced her unique style, she's also dipped into some typical celebrity indulgences. And when it comes to her wardrobe, Billie's got a taste for the finer things. From designer clothes to blinged-out accessories, she's not afraid to splash out. Just check out those white Gucci sneakers she rocked on Jimmy Kimmel Live, complete with crystals and a price tag of $1,590. Talk about luxury kicks. So yeah, while she's all about being herself, she's also not shy about treating herself to some high-end fashion. Billie Eilish isn't shy about splurging on jewelry, especially from top-notch brands like Chanel, Gucci, Bulgari, and Chopard. She's all about layering different necklaces for a unique vibe and adorns her fingers with a bunch of rings, often favoring ones with skulls. Now, onto her nails. Billie's not just about the music. She's also got a thing for ultra-long acrylic nails in flashy neon colors. It's her signature look, but it comes with a price tag. Recently, she had a mishap with one of her nails, and let's just say it wasn't pretty. But hey, it's all part of the glam life, right? When it comes to accessories, Billie Eilish's style is truly one of a kind, and her collection of designer watches is no exception. She's known for rocking not just one, but sometimes 2 or even 3 watches at once, using them to complement her unique outfits. Her taste in timepieces leans towards luxury, with favorite brands like Rado, Cartier, IWC Schaffhausen, and Hermes. But we're not talking about run-of-the-mill watches here. Prices start at a cool $8,000 for these high-end brands. Yet, for the "You Should See Me in a Crown" singer, it's all about the love of watches. She's constantly showing them off to her fans on Instagram, proving that for Billie, you can never have too many watches. Billie Eilish is a true fashion trailblazer, fearlessly experimenting with her style, unlike many other artists out there. From rocking monochromatic suits to donning matching Gucci ensembles, her wardrobe is nothing short of extraordinary. But what sets Billie apart is her love for vintage finds. While jet-setting across the globe for concerts and events, she makes sure to hit up luxurious vintage shops in search of that one-of-a-kind piece that'll turn heads. And when it comes to travel, she does it in style with her collection of luggage, with Louis Vuitton being her top pick. But that's not all. Billie's also a fan of belt bags, particularly from Gucci and Chanel. Whether she's in a music video or just out and about, you'll often spot her rocking one of these stylish accessories, proving that for Billie, it's all about making a statement, no matter where she goes. When it comes to accessorizing, Billie Eilish goes all out, especially with her love for hats. She's all about those 90s-inspired bucket hats, often in eye-catching neon hues that match her bold outfit choices. Louis Vuitton is a go-to brand for her hat collection, and she's also a fan of rocking beanies. You can even snag some from her own Bloch line. But it doesn't stop there. To add some swag to her look, Billie pairs her oversized hoodies with graphic cargo trousers, and of course, a killer pair of sunglasses. Recently, she's been spotted rocking a pair of Gucci sunglasses worth a cool $420. She's into sunnies in all shapes and colors, with favorite brands including Bulgari, Aero, Versace, Tommy Hilfiger, and Minima. Now let's talk hair. Billie's known for her ever-changing hair colors, and she's not afraid to dish out some cash at the salon to keep her locks looking fresh. That neon green hue? It became her signature look. And let's not forget her obsession with sneakers, particularly the Nike Air Force 1 High PSNY. She's been spotted rocking these kicks on tour and even on stage, proving that comfort and style go hand in hand for her. But she's not afraid to mix it up. Whether it's men's sneakers or bedazzled Gucci kicks, Billie knows how to step out in style. Lastly, Billie's been pretty open about her teeth straightening journey, even featuring it in her Bad Guy music video. She's not about pretending to have a perfect smile, and her fans appreciate her keeping it real. After all, authenticity is just part of what makes Billie, well, Billie. And that's a wrap for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed diving into Billie Eilish's style and indulgences. From her bold fashion choices to her ever-changing hair colors, she's definitely one of a kind. But now we're curious. What aspect of Billie's style fascinates you the most? Is it her love for vintage finds, her obsession with sneakers, or perhaps her daring hair transformations? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.